Hello, it's High Tech All. You are watching Top 5 Best Sliding Miter Saw. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. Ryobi Sliding Miter Saw. The saw is compact and lightweight, making it portable and perfect for DIY jobs around the house. The miter's functions 47 degrees left and right to accommodate a variety of cuts. Number 4. The Tombow HPT Sliding Compound Miter Saw. Laser marker system for exact alignment and predictable blade placement. Fully adjustable LED work light illuminates the table from any angle for bright visibility. Precise compound cuts with 48-degree bevel angle left and 5-degree bevel angle right. Number 3. Dueled Sliding Compound Miter Saw. Stainless steel miter detent plate of the 12-inch miter saw blade comes with 10 positive stops. Bevel 0 degree to 48 degree, left and right. Dual horizontal steel rails with innovative clamping mechanism and linear ball bearings for accuracy and durability. Number 2. Grizzly Sliding Compound Miter Saw. Motor, universal. 1500 watt, 110 volt, single phase, 15A. Blade size, 10 inches dia, 5 or 8 inches arbor. Arbor speed, 3800 RPMs. Maximum sliding travel, 9 inches to 3 inches by 8 inches. Number 1. Makita Sliding Compound Miter Saw. Unique two-steel rail sliding system, design offers single slide glide operation, includes a durable compact, folding stand with transport wheels and a side handle for easier job site portability. Features an aluminum tubular design weighing only 33.7 pounds.